Have you ever wondered if there are apps on your phone you cannot actually see? Ones that never show up on your home screen and don't appear when you scroll through everything either. It happens more than you'd think, and the good news is you don't need to pay a penny to find them. Let me show you. Here's the thing, an app has a few places it can hide. The most common is the app drawer's own hide list. A couple of taps and it just vanishes from view. On newer phones, there's a locked private space, a whole second area sitting behind a pin. Some apps disguise themselves, so what looks like a plain calculator is really a photo vault. And a few just sit there quietly as system apps, never shown in the normal list. So how do you see them all at once? This one setting shows you everything. Open your settings, then tap apps. At the top, you'll see a count of your apps, and just under it, see all apps. Tap that and you'll get the full list, every app that's installed, even the ones hidden from your home screen. Now here's the part most people miss. Tap the three dots in the top corner and choose Show System Apps. Watch what happens. An app appears that wasn't there a second ago. A calculator sitting quietly that never showed up anywhere else on the phone. And there it is, a calculator that never once showed on the home screen, now sitting right there on the full list. On this screen, nothing can hide from you. Tap any app you don't recognise and the app info page tells you what it really is and how much space it's using and when you last opened it. If you never opened it, well, that's your answer. Two honest things. First, the good news, every check I've shown you is built right into Android. There's no app to install, no subscription, nothing to pay. While you're there, take a look at your private space too and at security and privacy, then device admin apps. Second, and this matters, a genuine spy app, the kind someone installs on purpose, can hide deeper than any of this. If you really suspect that, back up your photos and factory reset the phone. That wipes it, and never trust a paid spyware remover. So that's it. Settings, apps, see all apps for the full list, the three-dot menu, then show system apps to catch the rest. And a quick look at private space and device admin apps to be thorough. Now you know how to see every single app on your phone and nothing gets to stay hidden. If that cleared things up, a subscribe keeps them coming.